to Pandagirls. So today I'm going to show you the slimes that people have ordered from my slime shop. And there's no more in stock, I'm so sorry. And I'll be reading out the names and the slimes and yeah, and how many ratings what these types of slimes have got. And if they need fixing, I'll fix them. So yeah, let's get started. This one is Mallory's slime that she ordered. It's kind of stiff, so it's going to need some lotion. You know, this one needs a lot, trust me. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe because I'll be doing way more better videos than these ones. Trust me. I'm going to have lots more challenges, and I'm also going to have lots and lots more like cool things happening in the videos and fun things like at sleepovers and what to do at sleepovers if you're bored and you have nothing to do. So, and how to prank video and who to prank and whoever's the easiest to prank video. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And also I'll be doing it with my best friends and my brothers or sisters. You don't know if I have a brother or sister or not. So actually, you do know I have a brother, but you don't know if I have a sister or not. Okay. There we go. This is the slime that I am fixing for Mallory. And I'm not going to say the second name of the people. And also I'm only doing it to the people I kind of know and their cousins, the people's I know, cousins and stuff, so yeah. I'm trying to do my best here for people, guys, during coronavirus and trying to raise money because me and my brother are making a movie and it's not going to go on YouTube, I don't think. I think it might, but it might not. Yeah, and we want to use our own money, not our parents' money. So yeah, if you want to watch it, then just ask politely in the comments. But if the comments are disabled, then don't worry about it. Just like the video if you want me to. Anyway. This one has gotten better. It's a... No, not really. Okay, well, I don't know how I'm going to fix this one. And I don't want to go long on the slimes in this video, so yeah. Oh, yeah, this type of slimes, like when you leave them alone, because I checked it yesterday, it was like this. But if you leave them alone, after a while it goes back to normal glossy. It's just because I accidentally added a little bit of something weird into it. It was just a bit of face lotion. Don't know what it done, but obviously it's made it really thick. And it's actually kind of good, to be honest. It's kind of good slime. Just very, very thick. Well, she did ask for it very, very thick, so I thought, what the heck, let's just make it thick. So this is Mallory's slime. It's a very nice slime, to be honest. It's actually really nice. It's just really thick. It will melt a little bit in my hot containers. So next slime, and we're going to go really quickly in this video. This blueberry crunch slime is ordered by Lemon. Her name is Lemon Lee, okay. She's not a real lemon, she's a lemon. I mean, she isn't a... Ooh, nearly made a bubble there. She's just a human being, just her name is Lemon. This one's really nice and glossy. It does not need anything done to it. And I don't want to ruin it by adding any lotion or anything, so let's just quickly try and make a bubble. There we go! Not the best bubble, but yeah. So my brother's at the door. It's really annoying. Shh. This is my brother, everybody.
Welcome to my channel.
It's not your channel. That's my brother. Show your head.
No.
I'll put my hands on you. Go.
You just did.
I'll put my smelly thing. Just, yeah. Okay. I'll take your sword.
Again.
Then out. Okay. Hope she likes the slime. Stop.
Ow.
Okay. Sorry about him. This. Ooh! Okay. So wet. Okay, well, this is Poo Crunch, I guess. Actually, it's not that wet, to be honest. It's a really nice kind of buttery, textury, glossy slime. And this was ordered by Leah. Ashley something. Ashley Lee. I think that's just her username. Ashley Lee. Her name's Leah, but anyway, she ordered this Poo Crunch, and it's amazing. It's actually really good slime. It just looks really weird on camera. It's a really nice glossy slime, and it feels quite thick because she said thick, not thin. I actually prefer thick, so it's kind of good, but not too thick. I don't like it too thick. Last slime, you guys, and this was ordered by Ruby. She ordered a buttercorn slime, and this is called Popcorn Sizzle. I think that's what she meant. Yeah, it is. Anyway, this is amazing. Wow. Did I make this? Yes, I did. Obviously, I did. But anyway, this is amazing. Ruby, you are going to get the best slime out of all these. Honestly, if I could pay for this slime, I would. I'd pay £100 for this slime. Like, it's a butter. I made it a butter, and it's got a little bit of fake snow in it, so it's like a buttery cream. And then it smells of popcorn seed. Wow, guys. This is honestly amazing. Well, Ruby, you're going to be very, 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 very proud of yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to order some of my slimes, just remember to like the thumbs up. And make sure you wash your hands after you play with slime. And also, if you want to make butter slime, but you don't have any clay to, then watch my next video, because that is when I'm going to show you how to make butter slime and cloud slime without fake snow or clay for butter slime. Now, see you guys next time. Bye, Felicia. No, just have a nice day. Just like subscribe. Do not unsubscribe, because I will cry and cry and cry. Bye.